Good day, my dearest. I'm going to start today a new doily. The design is by Patricia Christopherson. She does really beautiful, amazing patterns for crochet. And the only difference with hers is that in the last row, I added a small detail, the puff stitch. Sometimes I like to change those patterns. Let me tell you what kind of thread I'm using for that doily. And actually, the majority of my doilies are made by Aunt Lydia's crochet thread, which is Classic 10. It's a mercerized cotton. I bought the big one, 320 meters. The hook is recommended 1.5. I usually use 1.25. You don't see, but I wrapped it because it had no nice holder. So this is my hook, and this is the thread. I like to make very tight knitting, that's why I use very small hooks. And let's start and do it together. The first one is going to be, it's not the first row, it's a magic ring, so it's not considered to be the first round. As usually, I make the cross, put my hook under, pull the thread out, and with the same thread I make the knot tight. So the first round is going to be 12 pieces of single crochet. Use the hook the way you prefer, this way or that way. Because I'm a self-taught, I use it like I use knitting needles. So, but you can do wherever, however you like, how you used to. Let's make 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna do it quicker. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We make the circle smaller, and the connection of the first row will be to the back loop, because all other loops in the second row will be done through the back loop. So we take the first single crochet, the back loop of it, and make a slip stitch. The next row, the second, is very easy. This is for the race, one loop, and into the same one we make 2 single crochet through the back loop. 1, 2. Into the next single crochet back loop we make other 2 single crochet into 1, and into each single crochet of the previous row we're going to make 2 pieces. 1, I connected here some of the threads I didn't want to throw away. My dogs tore them into pieces. Sometimes they do that, but I don't throw. the last 4. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Great. This is the result. For the third row, we are going to connect the second, into the top of the first single crochet in this row. This way we have 24 single crochet in the second row. The next row, the third, the raising loop, 1 single crochet into the same stitch where we made the connection. Again, 1, 2 loops for the arch. We skip 1 single crochet and we go to the next one. This is a small arch. This way we do 1 more 2 loops, the arch of 2 loops, and we connect, skipping 1 single crochet to the second one, another single crochet, 2 loops, we skip, and to the second we go, 2 loops, to the second, 1 single crochet, 2 loops, to the second, 1 single crochet, 2 loops, 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 1 single crochet, and the last arch, 2 loops. I suppose I've made more than, oh no, that's all right. And connection to the first single crochet from the previous row. Okay, so see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed doing it with me. If I'm very quick, please let me know. I'm gonna do it slower so you could follow me any moment. Thank you so much. And if you like my video, that would be really helpful to develop the channel. I will really appreciate it. Thank you so much. See you soon.